Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the LED backlight for LG TV. Although the repairing was done for LG TV, same principle applies to other LED TVs. The problem with my TV was, when powered on, the TV flashed the logo once and went to black screen. Here is a video shows the problem. First I did is a flash test. By shining the torch on the screen, I can see the image being displayed, which indicates the backlight is a problem. The problem could be caused by the LED control board or the LED backlight strip. After open the TV back cover, here shows the power and LED control board and the LED backlight cable. I don't have a high voltage power supply to test the LED strip without removing the TFT TV panel. As the TV panel is fragile and there is a reasonable amount of work and risk to remove it, so I decided to make a fake load to test the power and LED board. The LED board says 400 mA 110 volt for each channel, so the load of the LED strip is about 275 ohm at about 44 watt. This is a circuit for the fake load. I'm actually using two low power 560 ohm resistors to make a high power 280 ohm resistor. This slide shows how to connect the two fake LED loads to the 4 pins on the board. My test shows the power and LED control board is working fine. Now we need to remove the TV panel to repair the LED backlight strip. First, we need to remove the T-board cover and the two speakers. Put the TV on a flat surface. I'm using matches here, and carefully removed the TFT panel and the films. Now you can access and test the LEDs one by one. Any 3 volt 10 mA is good enough to test the individual LEDs. I bought the unbranded TV backlight LEDs from eBay. The LEDs are claimed for LG TV, but I don't expect they are as good as LG original one, so I added a 100 ohm resistor to bypass about 35 mA current to reduce the current through the new LED. This increases the lifetime of the new LED but reduces the brightness slightly. The brightness difference is not noticeable to me. After replace the LED, run the full load test at about 300 mA for a few hours to make sure the new LED has been fitted properly. Assemble back everything and enjoy the TV. Why the TV flashes the logo once? The TV turns on the both LED channels, which lit on half of the LED backlight, then turn off both LED channels after detected the faulty. Why the LED backlight is broken? As lots of us know, the LEDs are supposed to last forever. Normally, the LEDs of the backlight are set to run at the maximum current for the best performance, which reduces life. There are 27 LEDs in serial for each backlight channel, which also reduces the reliability. My suggestion to TV users is turn down the backlight brightness to 75% or lower to make the LED backlight strip last longer. My suggestion to TV manufacturer is change the design by using two LEDs in parallel to run LEDs at half current. This costs slightly more for the manufacturer, but significantly increasing the reliability and reputation. Thank you for watching the video.